Do you want to know how much the floor you want is really going to cost you? We are going to take a look at how much you should expect to pay for materials, installation, and any other hidden costs. Then, we will show you a real-life example of how much each flooring option will cost you based on a 1,000 square foot home. Here are the flooring options we will take a look at today. First, solid hardwood, engineered hardwood, laminate, LVP, and carpet. First up, solid hardwood flooring. Solid hardwood can range from $3 to $8 a square foot depending on the type and width and species of the hardwood. Solid hardwood has many different species which can range in price dramatically. However, the most popular species are white oak and red oak. These fall in the price range of $3 to $8 a square foot. The price will differ based on the width of the boards and the grade. The grade is determined by the number of knots it has. The fewer the knots, the more expensive it will be. And then for the installation, sanding, and finishing costs, you can expect to pay anywhere from $7 to $10 a square foot. You also have all the miscellaneous costs like flooring removal, new trim, glue, staircases, and subfloor preparation. These additional items can add anywhere from $2 to $5 a square foot. This brings the total to about $13 to $20 a square foot, including all labor and all materials for the solid hardwood flooring project. Based on our 1,000 square foot home, you can expect to pay around $13,000 to $20,000. But what about engineered hardwood flooring? The materials can range in price from $5 to $10 a square foot. This is a pretty big range for engineered hardwood flooring. The $5 square foot hardwood is usually going to be a 5-inch wide, half-inch thick plank with a 2mm wood veneer. Then you have the mid-range engineered hardwood flooring from $6 to $8 a square foot, which usually is going to be a 7-inch wide board, half an inch or 5/8 of an inch thick with a 2 to 3mm wood veneer. Then you have the higher end engineered hardwood flooring from $9 a square foot and up. These are usually 7 to 9-inch wide planks with very long boards. They're usually 5/8 to 3/4 of an inch thick with a 3 to 6mm wood veneer. And for the installation, it can cost about $4 to $6 a square foot depending on the type of installation. You also have all the miscellaneous costs like flooring removal, new trim, glue, staircases, moving furniture, removing and reinstalling appliances, and of course the subfloor preparation. These additional items can add anywhere from $2 to $5 a square foot. This brings the total to about $13 to $20 a square foot, including all labor and materials for an engineered hardwood flooring project. Based on our 1,000 square foot home and our good, better, best options for engineered hardwood flooring, you can expect to pay $15,000, $17,000, or $20,000 for your project. Remember that these prices are based on high quality materials and installation. We even included the hidden costs that we will share with you at the end of this video into the price. Now, let's take a look at what you can expect to pay for laminate. This one is my personal favorite. Materials can range in price from $3 to $5 a square foot. This price is with 3 great laminate options: Select, Plus, and Premier. Select is the most popular style because it is at an amazing price. It's very scratch resistant, waterproof, and the planks have a very realistic wood look. But Premier is my personal favorite because it has the most realistic wood patterns with the benefit of scratch resistance and waterproof features. For installation, it can cost about $3 to $5 a square foot. You also have all the miscellaneous costs we mentioned before, which can add anywhere from $2 to $5 a square foot. This brings the total to $11 to $14 per square foot. Based on our 1,000 square foot home and with our Select, Plus, and Premier options, you can expect to pay $11,000, $12,500, or $14,000 for your project. Next, we have luxury vinyl plank, which is very similar to the price of laminate. Materials can range in price from $3 to $5 a square foot. The Select, Plus, and Premier line are 3 really good options that we offer. The Select line is the most affordable with great waterproof and scratch resistant features. But the Premier line is going to be the best if you want to get all the scratch and waterproof benefits with the closest look to real wood. And for installation, it can cost about $3 to $4 a square foot, plus the miscellaneous costs, which add anywhere from $2 to $5 a square foot. This brings the total to $10 to $12 per square foot. Based on our 1,000 square foot home and our Select Plus or Premier options, you can expect to pay $10,000, $11,000, or $12,000 for your project. Carpet, on the other hand, is going to be the most affordable option. Materials can range in price from $2.50 to $5 a square foot. The price of the carpet is determined by what type of material it is made of. The most popular carpet fiber strands are polyester, nylon, and triexta. Triexta, for example, is a stain-proof carpet material, meaning that if you spill wine on your carpet, it can easily be removed without leaving a stain. This carpet is more expensive because it's made out of high-quality fiber with great benefits. And for the installation, it can cost about $1.50 to $2.50 a square foot. You also have all the miscellaneous costs like flooring removal, new pad, staircases, and moving furniture. These additional items can add anywhere from $1 to $2 a square foot. This brings the total to $4 to $7 per square foot for carpet. Based on our 1,000 square foot home and the good, better, best options that we offer, you can expect to pay $4,500, $6,000, or $7,000 for your carpet project. But keep in mind, there's something you need to watch out for. Some companies will give you a lower price at first, but then add hidden fees at the end. Whether it's for crucial steps like preparing and leveling your subfloor, or furniture moving and disposal of old flooring, that can add a significant cost to your total price. Our installation price includes everything you can think of, so you don't have to worry about having to pay an extra bill that you were not expecting at the end of your project. So now that you know how much each flooring option costs, click here to learn what the flooring process should look like from start to finish.